what's it like taking a DJI Neo kayaking? There's only one way to find out. I can't tell you how long I've been waiting for a moment like this. I can now go kayaking, take a drone with me, and I don't need to bring a cumbersome controller with me. The DJI Neo is that simple to use. But of course, I live in the beautiful Scotland, and about 5 minutes ago, the sea was flat calm and there wasn't a breath of wind in the air. Yes, it's still beautiful here because it's Scotland, but as you can probably tell, the wind has picked up and the sea has gotten a bit choppy. So this is going to be an even bigger challenge for the DJI Neo than I initially planned. Let's do this.
Close. Direction track. 3, 2, 1.
Slight problem. I've had to come ashore here on a little island and I can't get the drone to come back to me. It's currently hovering over the sea over there. I'll show you. Look, there it is over there, hovering over the sea, and I cannot get him to come back. Come back! How do you get it to come back? I am not jumping in the sea for that. No chance. Right, I'm setting off after it. I need to rescue it before the battery runs out. Wish me luck. The closer I get to it, the further away it goes. What a mission that was. I finally rescued the drone. Here he is, the naughty little boy. I honestly thought I was going to lose him to the sea. Woofed, that was scary. I couldn't get anywhere near it. Every time I went near it, it just moved away from me. Is that a design flaw? I don't know how you're supposed to get it back to you. I thought you just hold out your hand and it comes back to you. Anyway, this wasn't the video I hoped to make. I'm sorry about that. I'll need to go and look into what went wrong. I still love the DJI Neo, don't get me wrong, but this was an epic fail. Sorry about that. Thanks for watching. Cheers.